Now in this video, I'm going to be introducing to you guys a smartwatch which you will never ever need to charge. How is that possible? Well, keep watching. Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here and you're watching Adam Lobo TV. If you guys are new, hello there. Do consider subscribing to my channel as I release high quality tech videos every single week for free. And if you're returning as a subscriber, let's power up. Now first of all, I would like to say thank you to the guys from Matrix Powerwatch for sponsoring this video. Now the Matrix Powerwatch comes with a white box with the visuals of the watch on the left and all the awards that the watch has won on the right. You will need to slide the box to the side, which you will see a matte black box. And as you lift up the box, you will see the watch itself. Then there's the instructions to turn it on and of course to activate and pair right on top. Then underneath there's a black box which contains the instructions guide. A tiny little plastic which contains a watch tool and a microfiber cloth. Now let's start with the build quality. The watch is made of metal at the watch face area, but it's really light, and the straps has a very comfortable cloth belt type of material which almost seems like you're barely wearing a watch, as I've been wearing this watch also as my sleep tracker since I've gotten it. Now as for the front of the watch face, it is made of hard glass, and as for the back, is fully in black, which states the thermoelectric power that the watch has, which I'll talk about it later. Now as for the hardware buttons, there is the mode button right on top, then there's the scroll knob or the crown right in the middle, and the set button down below. Now going back to the watch face, it is a 1.2-inch display with the monochrome colors of black and white, and is surprisingly super clear during the day, and there's even a backlight to use it during at night, where you just need to press and hold the mode button right on top for it to turn on. Alright, let's start off by turning on the watch, where you'll need to press and hold the mode and the set button together for 1 second. Next, download the Powerwatch app, which is available for Android and iOS devices. Now after downloading the app, you will see a welcome message that will appear on the watch. Then you will need to press set and it's paired. Now there's a total of 5 modes of navigation where you can access it through the mode button. First, there's the daily activity, where you can view your steps, which is really accurate. Then there's also the calories burnt and sleep by turning the watch crown. Next is the running mode, which is perfect for people like me who does running, and the distance shown on the watch was very much accurate too. Then in this mode, you can of course start, stop and reset by pressing the set button. Then there's the stopwatch mode, which is as straightforward as it sounds, where the start, stop and reset is done through the set button. Then there's also the sleep tracking mode as mentioned earlier, where you will need to press and hold the set button until a message says sleeping now on the watch. And to end the sleep tracking, just press and hold the set button. And last but not least, there's the watch settings mode, where you can then change the time by turning the crown, reset to its factory settings, and check the software version number. Then in there you can press the set button to sync the watch to your phone's app. Now speaking of the app, going further into the app is very simple and easy to understand, where at the home screen it shows the total steps on top, and down below there's the distance, sleep and calories here as well. Then there's the running graph if you have activated that mode before, and you'll also see the latest run stats over there. Then below there's 2 more tabs other than the dashboard tab. There's also friends, and this is to add another friend who has the same exact watch or any watch under the Matrix Powerwatch series. And then there's also the profile tab to edit the device name, set activity goals and other settings as well. Now as for charging the watch, as mentioned, one of the main reasons why I absolutely love this watch is the fact that you don't ever need to charge the watch, because it uses the thermoelectric technology, which charges the watch with your body's heat. Now how this works is that as long as your skin temperature is higher than the case temperature, the watch will be charging, and that is indeed usually the case no matter what climate that you are at. And you can view those temperatures by turning the crown at your home screen where it displays those two information. Now there's also different optimal charging conditions where you can charge the watch faster while walking and running, and obviously if you're sitting down it charges lower. And speaking of which, you can always see the charging indicator which is available on the watch face itself to know how much battery is left within the watch. Now in conclusion, this watch is a really great watch to have, especially if you guys are a serious runner and you'll be looking for a very accurate fitness tracker. And of course, one of the main selling points of the watch is about how you really just don't need to think about the battery life anymore, and that, my friends, is amazing. And that's the reason, of course, it has become an award-winning watch of winning the Last Gadget Standing and the Best Design Award just last year. Now with this, once again, I'd like to thank the guys from Matrix Powerwatch for sponsoring this video. And if you guys are planning to get this watch, I will link it down below, and I've even teamed with them to give you guys a special 20% discount for the watch, which I will show down here and of course down at the description below. Now please keep in mind that this is only valid until the 25th of October, so be sure to get it as soon as possible. Now with this, do let me know what you guys think of the Matrix Powerwatch down at the comment section below. Will you guys get it? Cool, huh? Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys as usual next week.